Welcome to Trust the Process, Delectable Edition, where I bake my way through an entire cookbook, one surprise recipe at a time. Every week, I let fate decide what to bake, like a recipe roulette. No planning, no peeking, just a random page number and a lot of trust in the process. This week's bake, let's find out. Eggs, 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cups. That's like this whole container. It's this whole container, right? It's a pound. No, it can't be a pound. I don't know. We'll just measure 2 cups. Cream. I have a feeling it's this whole container. It's this whole container. It's this whole container. 454 grams. 28 grams of butter. I think that's 2 tablespoons. I'm pretty sure that's 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna cut 2 tablespoons and then I'm gonna measure it. This is not a knife. This is a knife. Okay, I'm done. Boom, 28 on the nose. Now we need a cup, or about 150 grams of raisins. I realize you can't see me, but I'm gonna use golden raisins. I'm not gonna put that much raisins. I feel like, because these raisins are really, really big, like enormous. And I think I will do half. I know the recipe says a cup of raisins, but it looks like a cup, so we're gonna go with that. Now I'm ready to uncover the rest of the recipe to see what the steps are. I have no idea what tools I need. I might be doing this by hand, 1 bowl, 5 bowls. I have no idea. So I'm gonna get started. I don't have an 8-inch cake pan. I think I have a 9-inch cake pan. Okay, I have to toast the caraway seeds. Oh, wooden spoon, okay. You can cross it on top of the bread. Do I have to? I'm gonna need more bowls. I'll use this for the dry ingredients. To speed things up, I'm going to toast the caraway seeds. I don't want to wait for the oven to preheat, and so I'm going to speed things up and toast this on the stove. I'm just gonna get my hands in here. This is a very interesting bread. It's bread-like and cake-like at the same time. The crumb is thick like a bread, but soft and fluffy like a cake. The caraway seeds in this bite, anyway, aren't very strong or overpowering, and mixed with the sweetness from the raisins, it's actually really good. This is my first time ever having Irish soda bread. I don't know if it's accurate or authentic, but it's pretty good. I would definitely toast this in the morning with some butter and maybe a little bit of flaky sea salt on top, but yeah, this is pretty good.